Hey everybody, what's happening? It's Sean out here in the garage bringing you another how-to video. Today we're working on a 2023 and newer Greenger G3, or if you have the supermoto variant like me, the G3S. And I'm gonna show you one of the first things I'd highly recommend doing on your G3 or G3S, and that is to either fully remove the kickstand, or in this case, we're gonna pull out the kickstand bolts and we're gonna throw some Loctite on those guys, because I've noticed that on both of my G3s, I've got a second one back there, on both of them, the kickstand bolts have come loose. And what you'll first notice is it kind of has some flex in it. I don't know if you can see that, but the kickstand actually flexes every time you set it down. And I noticed those bolts are coming loose, and we've only got about 50 miles on both of our Greenger G3s. So what we need for this process is gonna be a 3/8 drive. I've got a 12 millimeter socket, and then some blue. You could use red if you wanted as well, but I'm gonna go with some blue Loctite. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove one of these bolts at a time. I'm gonna start with the top bolt and use our 12 mil and pull that bolt out. With the bolt removed, you can see here, I've put a little bit of blue Loctite. It's a black bolt, so it's hard to tell, but there is some blue Loctite right on the end there. You can blow on it just to get the Loctite to go all the way around the threads. And I would recommend letting it sit for maybe a minute or two just to kind of set up. It'll thicken a little bit. Don't want to let it sit too long where it's actually hardened, but let it set up a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall that bolt. With the top bolt reinstalled, now we're going to repeat the process and remove the bottom bolt. All right, with some blue thread locker on the bottom bolt, we'll now reinstall that as well. And just like that, you've performed one of the best things you can do to upgrade your G3S or G3 right out of the box. Make sure that that kickstand stays working for you for a long time. You don't end up losing that down the road or down the trail. If this video was able to help you out, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos. I've got more on the G3 or any of the G2s or CRF E2s like that in the background, or even the Grom there in the background as well. Thanks everybody. God bless.